Mock 13 question 10. See, in our basic jet propulsion, when we bother about our combustion chamber, how do we write the formula? In same way, in ramjet also, jet propulsion, sorry, for combustion chamber, we write the same formula. Okay. So here T naught is the exit temperature in the combustion chamber, and T naught I is the inlet temperature for the jet propulsion. This formula is exactly similar, exactly similar to the our basic turbojet combustion chamber, right? So because CPG is not mentioned for the gas, like from here air is entering, from here gas is coming out. I'm talking only about jet engine. I'm talking only about the combustion chamber, not the entire jet engine. Fine, only combustion chamber part. From there only we get this formula. Okay. So because CPG is not given, so CPA we will treat as CPG. So take CPA common, substitute all those values given here, and efficiency is 1 because 100%, and calorific value is mentioned in megajoule, convert that in kilojoule because CPA is mentioned in kilojoule, right? Substitute the values, solve it, and get 0.04.